Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikasar, the Hindu editorial dictation. Heading is Peaceful Start. This article is completely discuss वेस्ट बंगाल इलेक्शंस। आप लोगों को पता है कि इलेक्शन चले हुए हैं, इसलिए आपके इलेक्शन से रिगार्डिंग आपके आर्टिकल्स आएंगे। कुछ आर्टिकल ऐसे होते हैं जो हमें हमारी जो आपकी स्किल टेस्ट में काफ़ी वर्क करते हैं, उसके जो इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड होते हैं उसको आपको करना ही करना चाहिए। प्लस उसकी जो वकैब है वकैब को भी देखिए और उसकी वकैब याद कीजिए, प्लस उसकी आउटलाइन बनाइए। चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज आपकी 130 वर्ड पर मिनट्स होगी इसकी डिक्टेशन। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The first phase of polling in West Bengal and Assam on Saturday witnessed an impressive turnout. In some constituencies, the turnout was well above 80%. In Assam, 47 assembly constituencies and in West Bengal, 30 constituencies went to the polls with turnouts of 79.97% and 84.63% respectively. In 2016, the ruling Trinamool Congress won 26 of the 30 seats in West Bengal in the tribal regions of Jangal Mahal. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the BJP made significant inroads into the region. In Assam, the ruling BJP won 35 of the 47 seats in 2016, where tribal communities employed in tea estates shifted from the Congress to the BJP in large numbers. The BJP is pulling out all the stops to retain power in Assam and rest it in West Bengal for the first time. The fierce nature of the contest in West Bengal is far too evident, but still there was no major violence in the first phase. The BJP has complained of violence by the TMC, while the latter has complained of partisanship by the Election Commission. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has claimed that the BJP is set to win 26 of the 30 seats in West Bengal and 37 of the 47 seats in Assam. The TMC has ridiculed the claim. In Assam, the Congress has claimed to have made major gains in the first phase. The claims and counterclaims can only be read as signaling for supporters and rivals alike by each side, but there are certain trends there are notable as the companion for the second phase on April 1 picks. Elections are being held in 8 phases in West Bengal and 3 phases in Assam. The BJP in Assam is not as defensive as the TMC is in West Bengal. The shenanigans of its leaders have resulted in an unmistakable anti-incumbency against the TMC, which has been in power for 10 years now. The party is trying to recover lost ground with new promises and by riding on the personal popularity that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee continues to command. Though it has no leader of any consequence in the state and its companion is being spearheaded by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. The BJP hopes to harvest anti-TMC sentiments and win power. The BJP has not announced a chief ministerial candidate in West Bengal and in Assam. The paradox is that its machinery is dependent more on the powerful minister Himanta Biswa Sarma than Chief Minister Sarabanda Sonowal. Mr. Modi's visit to Bangladesh in the midst of the election has triggered communal tension there. The Hindu minority in Bangladesh is coming under the attack by the Islamists, and the ripple effects of this will be felt in the next phase in both states. The danger of communal polarization is ever present, but it might be too much to expect the BJP and the TMC to keep the companion free of hateful rhetoric in the phases ahead. The election commission might need to step in. Full stop. ये आर्टिकल आपका 120 वर्ड पर मिनट से ऊपर है, ठीक है। इस आर्टिकल को आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद आप मैच कीजिए। देखिए आपका काफ़ी जैसे पैराडॉक्स हो गया आपका, इसमें कुछ कुछ वर्ड हैं आपको जो न्यू मिल सकते हैं आपकी वोकैबुलरी के लिए। काफ़ी अच्छा वर्ड है आपके लिए, काफ़ी अच्छे वर्ड हैं। इसको देखिए कि अब नाउन कौन सा, प्रोनाउन कौन सा, एडजेक्टिव कौन सा। इसमें से आप अगर जो बच्चा शॉर्ट एंड नहीं सीख रहा है उस बच्चे के लिए भी काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर एसएससी CHSL की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, आप सीजल की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि नाउन कौन सा है और प्रोनाउन कौन सा है। नाउन से पहले हमारा क्या आएगा, एडजेक्टिव से पहले आएगा, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए। उसे आप एनालाइज अच्छे से कर पाओगे एग्ज़ाम में। ओके, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छे लगते हैं वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल के साथ और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।